Hey guys, George here from Corsair. Our Carbide Spec series is amongst our most popular series of cases, and with good reason. They look cool, they function well, and they don't break the bank on cost. This is the SPEC-05, our newest Spec series case. It has a distinctive and stylish exterior with a really straightforward and flexible layout. The front panel of the SPEC-05 is all new, with a cool and modern exterior design, and the I/O panel has functional USB 3.1 pass-through. The side panel has a full acrylic window that's easily removable with 4 screws. In the front of the case, you have dual 120mm fan mounts, or 3 if you remove that hard drive cage. If you remove the cage, you also have room for 2 140mm front fans, a first in a Spec series chassis. On top, dual 120mm fan mounts, and in the rear, another 120mm fan mount. With the cage installed, you can install up to 5 120mm fans, or if you take that cage out, up to 6. To keep your case clean, the SPEC-05 has integrated dust filters into that front panel that just pulls off, and the rear, a PSU mount, has a dust filter underneath. Unlike a lot of cases in this price category, the SPEC-05 has tons of drive and cable routing options. With cutouts in the motherboard tray and tie downs behind it, you can keep your cables clean and clutter-free. With up to 3 hard drive mounts and 2 SSD mounts simultaneously, you can install a surprising amount of storage. So building a clean and modern looking PC with tons of storage has never been easier. So no matter what your level of expertise is or what components you want to put into it, the SPEC-05 makes a good foundation for your next PC.